Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So number 4, that's about 2 square in here. So we apply the formula in here, and this one you got about s minus 2, s plus 2. We have s and s, so we can do about factorization. So we simplify s minus 2, s minus 2. And now we can put number 2 cone here and number 2 cone here. We calculate about this one. 4 divided by 2, you got about number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.